Hello and good morning once again. Today we look at the project appraisal technique called PI, the Profitability Index. Going straight to the question is saying in a given company we have the year 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the years, and then we have the investment of 1,000, and that's being the cash outflow or the investment that we had. It means that we have the 1,000 as a negative. It's a minus because we spent that money. And then in the first year, we are earning 200. The second year, we earn 300. The third year, we earn 400. And the fourth year, we earn 500. Now, that being the cash flow, we look at now the rate. The rate of return or the interest rate is given as 10%, and then we are required to find the profitability index, the PI of that project. In such questions, what you need to do is to get the formula PI being given as NPV divided by cash outlay. That is how we get the profitability index. But how do we get the NPV? We can therefore understand and write where NPV is the net present value, and the CO is the cash outlay, and the PI is the profitability index. Now, let's look at how we get the NPV. From previous studies, we have said the NPV is given as summation of cash inflow divided by 1 plus R raised to power n, then minus the cash outlay. We are adding all cash inflows, the present values. It can also be written as the summation of present values minus the cash outlay, where the present value from previous study is given as the cash inflow divided by 1 plus R raised to power n. Therefore, in this question, we have the cash inflows 200, 300, 400, and 500, and we are told the cash outlay is 1,000 shillings. To get NPV from our equation, you can say therefore the NPV will be given by the summation of cash inflows, and that we shall start with the first figure, which is now the 200 for the first year, divided by 1 plus R. What is R? R is given as 10%, and 10% becomes 0.1 because 10 divided by 100, that is 0.1. When you say R 1 plus R, we're simply saying 1 plus 0.1, and therefore that becomes 1.1. Then you shall write that to the n, and because we are earning the 200 in the first year, we shall have 200 divided by 1.1 raised to power 1. Then you add for the second year, we had 300, again we divide by 1.1 raised to power 2 because the 300 was earned in the second year. And then for the third year, we now have 400, once again divided by 1.1 raised to power 3, the year that we earned 400, and then we shall add the last one, which is 500 divided by 1.1 raised to power 4, the year that we earned 500, that total. Then we shall subtract the cash outlay or the money that we spent in the investment. Now this gives me 181.81. Then this one gives me 247.93. Third one 300.52. The fourth one 341, and therefore we now get the total and subtract the 1,000, and this gives me 1,071 shillings, and this becomes the NPV, the net present value. Once we have found the net present value, it's now easy. We take the PI formula, the profitability index being equal to the NPV divided by the cash outlay, and this is 1071 NPV. Then you divide by the cash outlay of 1,000, and that is the present the profitability index of that project. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you.